The last operation in the word CRUD is delete. Deleting data from a database is an important operation that is necessary to ensure that the database remains efficient and does not become cluttered with unnecessary data. When data is deleted, it frees up space in the database and improves the performance of queries that are executed on the database. The query builder in Laravel provides a simple and efficient way to delete data from the database. To delete it, you simply need to specify the data that needs to be deleted through the where method first, because you obviously don't want to delete all values inside the database. So let's chain the where method, and let's say that we want to delete where the ID is equal to 1014, which is the latest row inside of our database. Whenever you want to delete, you only need to chain the delete method to the where method. In this example, the where method specifies the condition for the data to be deleted, so where ID is equal to 1014, then the delete method is called to execute the delete query. I have just refreshed the browser and you can see that inside Ray, one single row has been affected. If we navigate to our post table and refresh it, you'll see that the post with ID 1014 has been deleted. Sometimes you may need to delete data from the database based on multiple conditions. Laravel allows you to chain multiple where methods together. So let's say that we want to delete the row where ID is 1012 based on the ID, but we're even going to be more specific because the title should also be equal to X. So let's navigate back to our controller. Let's say that we want to delete where the column is equal to 1012. Then we're going to chain another where method because the title needs to be equal to X. Right here, two where methods are chained together to specify the conditions for the data to be deleted. Behind the scenes, I have refreshed the browser and you will see that it returned back one affected row. If we refresh our post table, you will see that row with ID of number 1012 has been deleted. Now Laravel also allows you to wipe up your entire table through the truncate method on the query builder. Let's get rid of the delete methods and both where conditions, because we're going to delete all rows, and we simply need to chain the truncate method to it. I've refreshed the browser and it returned back with null, because there are no results. If we refresh the post table, you can see that it's completely empty. We obviously need to have some kind of data to continue, so let's navigate back to the CLI, and let's perform a PHP artisan tinker, and let's create 10 new rows for the post model, call the factory method, and create the rows. So let's say that we want to have 5 new rows. Deleting data from a database is an important operation that is necessary to ensure that the data remains efficient and does not become cluttered with unnecessary data.